country was being destroyed. Yes.
One last question, sir. Throughout this entire July unrest, what companies were targeted in the looting?
Manje ke ndodana kulo lolo dlame olwalukhona nguNtulikazi ingabe iziphi inkampani ezazi qondiswe udlame kuzo uyazazi
Uyamchweza futhi
hayi ndodana ephendula umbuzo uyazazi I don't know.
You see, I find it strange. Your permit says you were there to follow the July unrest, but you're unable to answer the question. Is there a reason why?
Uthi ke uyamangaza ngoba wena wawunikezwe amandla ukuthi ulandele udlame kodwa manje mayikubuza lo mbuzo uthi awukwazi ukuphendula ukhona okushumayelana nalokho. No comment.
Thank you, Worship. During the period of cross-examination, I indicated the issue of the bail transfers. I'm going to withdraw that. It is not relevant to the charges. Where we are as a witness, yes. I told the court I'll come back to that later. It's not going to take the case further anyway, Your Worship, even if I have to put a question to the witness. So I'm going to withdraw that question on that aspect, and now the state rests with this cross-examination.
Uthi-ke mshushisi-ke niyakhumbula ukuthi ubeke wathi khona umbuzo awuhoxisayo noma ubombayo ogudlayo uzothi makuhamba isikhathi bese phinde ubuyisa uthi hayi usecenge wacinga wabona hayi mani lo mbuzo awuzuma usandawo awuyawuhoxisa-ke manje ubuyisele emva akasawubuze uthi-ke qha useqedile ukumgwexa ngembuzo.
Any re-examination?